What are the girls doing today? Well, Dagny found a little pork shoulder butt. Just a little guy. I don't know, 15 pounds. And I've got here dehydrated garlic, dehydrated or granulated onion, mock Hidden Valley Ranch without the milk products, chicken base that will go with bits of Wooshie, and I got actually three jars, but of sliced pepperoncini. We have 2 Greek, I don't know the difference, and 1 not. Have you figured it out yet? Okay, I'll tell you. We're making Mississippi pot roast on trotters. Mississippi pot roast is made with beef. We ain't got beef. Besides that, it tends to be tough. So we're doing it with pig, and it should turn out pretty good. Pork cut, check. Butcher knife, check. Chef's knife, check. Just in case I want to do double cutting. Dagny is kicking up the broth, and I'm going to be cutting this and putting it into this middle bowl where I will be rinsing it off. We'll be back. Okay, I'm going to be putting the meat into quart jars, and we're going to be putting in 1/3 to 1/2 cup of these peppers, which is my equivalent to a heaping third. 1/4 cup of this pepper juice. Now we added 4 tablespoons of sugar to it because it was really bite your mouth off. A teaspoon of that, which is our ranch seasoning without ranch. Some dehydrated garlic and granulated garlic, just to our taste. We'll see you in a minute. Now, just so you can see what I'm doing, oops, I can get in here. I put a smidgen of dehydrated garlic, not even a tablespoon. I put in a teaspoon of onion flakes, and then meat. Okay, and now I put in a teaspoon of the spice and a quarter cup of this juice. And then 1/3 cup of these peppers. And I did do one that was a heaping, and I decided, no, that doesn't need my heaping. Okay, that's 1/3 cup. Okay. Are we there yet? Now, I fill it with broth. To an inch headspace, and I debubble with the wrong side of the debubbler. But it's okay, I picked that up from Dagny. Dagny is still browning meat. So, here we have it debubbled, and then we readjust the headspace. And I'm sure there's nothing that says what order any of this stuff has to go in. So there. Oops. I'm going to turn off the camera again. Well, there they are. Dagny is lidding, banding, ringing, banging, I don't know. Putting the last steps on. They're going into their beautiful new looking canna.
My old beautiful canna.
And we're gonna do a video on what she does to make that canner always look brand new, and it's like just minutes worth of effort. Okay, we'll see you when they come out.
Heard that magic ping.
Boy, they be boiling.
And remember not to tip your jars when you take them out of the canner.
Is gonna show her magic cleaning.
Yep. I like to clean the calcium buildup every couple canning sessions so it doesn't get mucky. And I just spray a little lime away around the petcock. Let it sit for a minute or two. It only takes a couple minutes for it to really clean. And then I just, in general, wipe my top while I'm at it.
Put the lime away.
Yep, and so it all works. Gotta keep my canner looking new.
And she's dipping into soapy water.
Yeah, I'm going to add a little extra because I want to clean the petcock a little more.
Only Dagny can use her hands in this stuff. My fingers have no fingerprint. They would die if I had to touch it to that. And that's it.
That's it.
It's clean.
All calcium buildup is gone.
Wow. What about over on the lock? Is that clean?
Clean too. Nothing there.
Okay.